Hashtag wearable tech innovation, long-form script. You're wearing technology every single day, but you're probably missing the most powerful features that could transform your health, productivity, and daily life. Today, we're breaking down wearable tech innovation in 2025 and showing you exactly how to use these devices like a pro. Welcome back to TechNavigator Pro. I'm your guide to mastering the tech that matters. Let's start with the biggest problem. Most people buy a smartwatch, fitness tracker, or health wearable and use maybe 30% of what it can actually do. You get notifications. You track steps. Then you stop. But here's what you're missing: these devices have evolved dramatically. Modern wearables in 2025 aren't just tracking your activity anymore. They're predicting health issues before you feel them. They're integrating with your entire digital ecosystem. And they're doing it with AI that learns your patterns. But if you don't know how to unlock these features, you're basically wearing a glorified watch. The innovation landscape has shifted. According to industry reports, wearable adoption hit critical mass in 2024 to 2025, with health monitoring capabilities becoming the primary driver. Advanced biosensors, real-time AI analysis, and seamless ecosystem integration are now standard on flagship devices. Here's what we're covering today. We're walking through the complete setup of a modern health wearable, showing you the hidden features nobody talks about, and teaching you how to make this technology work for your life, not the other way around. Let's start with the fundamentals. The first thing you need to do is stop thinking of your wearable as a standalone device. Open your phone's primary app store, whether that's the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or Samsung Galaxy Store. Search for your wearable's companion app. This is your command center. When you open the companion app, let's say you're using a flagship smartwatch, you'll see the main dashboard view. This is where all your data lives. But here's the critical part most people miss: your wearable syncs with multiple platforms simultaneously. Your health data flows to your phone's native health app. Your fitness metrics sync to your cloud ecosystem. And your personal data is protected through encryption protocols standard in 2025 devices. Click into Settings within the companion app. You'll see a gear icon in the upper right corner. Tap it. This opens your device preferences. Inside Settings, look for Health Monitoring or Sensors. The exact naming varies by device. This is where the magic lives. Modern wearables in 2025 include multiple biosensors, heart rate monitors, blood oxygen sensors, skin temperature sensors, and on premium models, ECG capabilities and blood pressure monitoring. Per recent manufacturer documentation, these sensors work together to create a comprehensive health profile. Here's what you need to do: enable continuous monitoring. Toggle on the health metrics monitoring switch. You'll see options for heart rate, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and workout detection. Enable all of them. These aren't battery drains anymore. 2025 chipset efficiency means you'll see 5 to 7 days of battery life, even with continuous monitoring active. Scroll down. You'll find notifications settings. Here's where personal preference matters. I recommend enabling alerts for irregular heart rate detection and sleep quality notifications. These are the warnings that matter. Disable low-step notifications, that's just noise. Connect your wearable to your phone's native health app. On iPhone, that's the Health app. On Android, it's Google Fit or Samsung Health, depending on your device. Open your wearable's companion app. Find Sync or Connection settings. You'll see an option to authorize health data sharing. Tap it. Grant permissions for heart rate, sleep, activity, and nutrition data. This creates a unified dashboard where you can see everything in one place. Here's what this does: your wearable becomes the data collector, and your phone becomes the analyzer. Your device learns your baseline metrics. It understands your normal heart rate, your typical sleep patterns, your average activity level. This is the foundation for AI-driven insights. Now, if you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and the next one's going to blow your mind. Subscribe right now, and let's keep going. This is where 2025 wearables become genuinely intelligent. Inside your companion app, look for insights or AI health analysis. Tap it. You'll see your device has been learning your patterns. According to the latest wearable health documentation, modern AI systems now predict stress levels, recovery needs, and even illness onset up to 48 hours before you feel symptoms. Your wearable shows you a heart rate variability score. This number tells you whether your body is recovering or stressed. A higher HRV means you're recovered and ready for intense exercise. A lower HRV means you need rest. This single metric changes everything about how you train. Look for recovery score in your Insights dashboard. This number, usually 0 to 100, tells you if you should hit the gym hard or dial it back. Too many people ignore this and overtrain. Your wearable is literally telling you when to rest. Listen to it. Scroll to sleep analysis. Modern wearables now track REM sleep, deep sleep, light sleep, and awake time separately. You'll see a graph showing your sleep architecture. Poor sleep? Your wearable tells you exactly which stage needs improvement. Are you getting enough deep sleep? That's where physical recovery happens. Getting too much light sleep? Your environment might need adjustment. Open the workout section. This is where data becomes actionable. Tap Start Workout and you'll see dozens of options: running, cycling, swimming, weightlifting, yoga, HIIT, and dozens more. But here's what matters: select your activity. Your wearable detects it automatically in many cases, but manual selection ensures accuracy. During your workout, your wearable tracks real-time metrics, heart rate zones, calories burned, distance, pace, and altitude if applicable. But the hidden feature is zone training. Look for heart rate zones in your settings. Your wearable creates personalized zones based on your maximum heart rate. Zone 1 is recovery pace. Zone 2 is aerobic pace. Zone 3 is threshold. Zone 4 is high intensity. Zone 5 is maximum effort. Most people run everything in Zone 3 and never build aerobic capacity. Your wearable prevents this mistake. It tells you exactly which zone you're in during every workout. After your workout, check post-workout analysis. You'll see not just what you did, but how your body responded. Your wearable knows if this workout was appropriate for your current recovery state. It learns your patterns over weeks and months. Modern wearables in 2025 emphasize community. Open friends or social in your companion app. Connect with people using the same device ecosystem. You can share activity, compete on leaderboards, and send motivational messages. This gamification element increases long-term engagement by an average of 35%, according to health tech adoption studies. But here's the strategic element: don't just add everyone. Add people who maintain slightly higher activity levels than you. This creates healthy pressure. You naturally compete to match their activity. It's behavioral psychology built into your wearable. Go back to settings. Find smart notifications or do not disturb. Your wearable can filter notifications intelligently. Enable work focus mode between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Your wearable only shows calendar alerts and important messages. Everything else waits. This single feature eliminates constant interruption. Set up a night focus mode from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Your wearable goes silent except for alarms. Your sleep won't be disrupted by notifications. Your wearable learns your schedule over time and applies these automatically. Open battery settings or device settings. Your wearable's battery depends on which features you run. Continuous heart rate monitoring uses more battery than interval monitoring. Always on display uses more than tap to wake. Here's the strategy: enable continuous monitoring because health data matters more than an extra day of battery. Disable always on display, you don't need it. Most flagship wearables achieve 5 to 7 days with aggressive usage. This is verified by multiple reviews of 2025 generation devices. If you're getting less, something's enabled that shouldn't be. Pro tip: charge your wearable on a set schedule. Every Sunday evening, put it on the charger while you prep for the week. This makes charging a habit, not a panic. Before we wrap up, security matters. Open privacy settings. Your wearable collects sensitive health data. Ensure you understand where this data goes. Most flagship devices encrypt data end-to-end between your wearable and your phone. Data stored in the cloud is encrypted according to industry standards established in 2024 to 2025 security protocols. Review app permissions. Which apps can access your health data? Be selective. Your meditation app needs sleep data. Your banking app doesn't. Revoke unnecessary permissions. Here's what separates casual users from power users. First, enable stress tracking in your health settings. Your wearable monitors your nervous system throughout the day. If stress spikes at specific times, you've identified a pattern worth addressing. Most people don't notice their stress triggers until a device shows them data. Second, use breathing exercises. When your wearable detects high stress, guided breathing sessions appear. 2 minutes of deep breathing reduces your stress score measurably. This is science-backed relaxation, not marketing. Third, set up custom goals. Don't accept default targets. If you do 3,000 steps daily, set your goal at 3,000. Achieve it daily. Then increase to 3,500. Build gradually. Your wearable adapts your goals based on your performance. Fourth, enable medication and supplement tracking if available on your device. Log what you take, when you take it, and correlate it with your sleep, stress, and energy levels. Over months, you see what actually works versus what you thought worked. Fifth, use location services responsibly during outdoor activities. Your wearable maps your route, shows you elevation gain, and creates a fitness history you can revisit. But disable location for everyday use to preserve battery. Sixth, check calendar integration. Your wearable should sync with your schedule. Busy day coming? Your wearable automatically lowers your activity expectations. Recovery day? It encourages rest. This contextual awareness is what makes modern wearables intelligent.